fit up in your car, in your truck. I'm talking 10-inch portable table saw. It's small and affordable from DeWalt. A powerful minimal animal building stairs and cabinets and floors and walls. You know the brand, favorite of many a handyman. DeWalt is tough and rugged, so let's get it in your hands. It's got plenty of power, Tim Taylor approved. It's lightweight and portable, I'm talking easily moved. Well, you should probably know this puppy's got a big bark. It's loud as a banshee, but it's got the jaws of a shark. I said 10-inch blade, 24 teeth. Adjust this bad boy up to 45 degrees and setup's a breeze. Even a baby could do it, but don't do that though. Just saying, there's nothing to it. Nothing to it. So here's a review of the 745. It's got enough power to bring your workshop to life. I said it was simple for beginners and pros. It's got all safety features to protect your fingers and toes. It's got a long blade life, just try not to abuse it. And 10 just might be small, but hey, it's all how you use it.